In the journal entries, calculation not required. Whatever answer you got, same thing you can copy in your journal entry. 60,000 and 60,000 being application money received. In the question they have mentioned premium means premium must be with allotment itself. Here you have to do bifurcation, but in the next journal entry bifurcation is not required. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidyashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now, we are in the third session of topic called Issue and Redemption of Debenture. In the first session, we discussed about what do you mean by debenture, advantages, limitations, as well as the format to do problems. Now, in the second session, we discussed two problems on issue of debenture for 6 marks. Now, we are in the third session. We will do little advanced problem. Again, this thing also will come for your 6 marks question. And whatever problems we discussed today, those are your examination problems. This is your problem number 1 for the day. The Gopal company issued 3,006% debentures. Now, I already explained you what is percentage with debenture. Now, we will not calculate this 6% anywhere, but while writing debenture, we always mention that 6%. If the problem is about 9% debenture, we have to mention 9% debentures. Now, rupees 20 on application, 30 on allotment, 50 per debenture on first and final call. Now, again like your previous session, we'll go with the working note. Once working note is done, same thing we fill it in your journal entries. Now, your working note. The working note should be below your answer, or else before writing your journal entry, you have to show this working note. Now, first thing will be your application. Number of shares, how much? 3,000. What is the application? 20. Your answer is 60,000. This is your application. Number of shares 3,000 multiplied with your application money is 20. Now, your application is done. What is the next one? Allotment. Allotment, how much they have given? 30. Now, allotment, number of shares 3,000 multiplied with 30, so it will be 90,000. For your allotment, you have two journal entries. For both the journal entries, you have to mention 90,000. Next, allotment is done. First and final call. How much you have? 50. First and final call. Number of shares as usual 3,000 multiplied with 50, it will be 1,50,000. So this will be first and final call. What is the total? 60,000 plus 90,000, 1,50,000 plus 1,50,000. Your answer will be 3 lakh. Whether your answer is correct or wrong, how to check? Yes. Number of shares 3,000, share value 100 rupees each. Total number of shares 3,000 multiplied with 100, you will get 3 lakh. So your answer is correct. This working note you have to do before you start your journal entries, so that in the journal entries calculation not required. Whatever answer you got, same thing you can copy in your journal entry. For that, what you should do? You should remember journal entries. Now, application, how many entries? 2. Allotment 2. First and final call 2. Now, application, what is the amount? 60,000. Allotment 90,000. And first and final call 1,50,000. This will be your journal entry. Journal entry is in the books of Gopal Company. Now, as per the question, so which company is this Gopal? You have to mention that journal entry is in the books of Gopal Company. These two for application. So how much is your application money as per your working note? 60,000. Now, your application 60,000 and 60,000 being application money received. Any doubt? No. Next one also same amount, 60,000 and 60,000. Your application is done. 2 entries for application. Now we'll go for allotment. I'll go back to your working note. As per your working note, how much is your allotment? It is 90,000. I'll go back to your journal entry. Allotment 90,000 and 90,000. Remember, you have to mention bank account data. Everything same to same you have to write. And narration, debenture application money transferred to share cap debenture account, done. Now we are doing allotment. Narration being debenture allotment money due. So this will be your narration for your third journal entry. We'll go for the fourth one. Fourth one will be what? Allotment. So how much we should consider? 90,000. Yes, amount must be 90,000 as well as 90,000. What should be your narration? Narration will be being allotment money received. Allotment money received. This will be narration for your fourth journal entry. What are the fifth and sixth? Yes, first and final call. Narration will be being first and final call money due. Narration for last one being first and final call money received. Yes. Now, what amount we should write? Again, I'll go back to your working note. As per your working note, you have how much? 1,50,000 for your first and final call. Now, 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Similarly, 1,50,000 and 1,50,000. This will be a complete 6 marks problem we completed. We'll go for the next one. Before that, a small recap of your question and answer. This will be your question. Your working note should be like that. Once your working note is done, go with the journal entries. First, write down all the journal entries. Now, once if it is done, all 6 journal entries, go back to your working note. For application, we have 2 entries. Amount is 60,000. Allotment, we have 2, 90,000. First and final call, we have 2, 1,50,000. Write down journal entry with narration. Amount will be same thing for the debit as well as credit side. Now, in this we don't have premium, so your premium amount will be blank. So it is completely par or actual value. So all 6 journal entry with narration with amount. If you present like this, 100% you will get 6 out of 6. We'll go for next one. Now, in this, the Tunga Company Limited issued 12% debenture of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 10 each. See, the previous problem was only for 100 rupees. Now, this debenture has huge demand. That's why Instead of 100, they are selling at what price? 10 rupee more. They are issuing at 10 rupee more. So 100 plus 10, they are issuing at 110. This 10 we call it as premium. That we have to take it separately. Now, same procedure, 20 on application, 50 allotment, 40 is your first and final call. What is the total? 20 plus 50, 70. 70 plus 40, how much? 110. How much your actual value? 110, including premium. Now, your working note. Similar, what we did for the last problem, same working note we consider here also. First one, application. Your application, number of shares, 12,000. Application, 20. So this will be 2,40,000. 12,000 into 20, 2,40,000. Application is done. Next one is what? Allotment. Remember, in the question they have mentioned premium means premium must be with allotment itself. Now, allotment. In the allotment, number of shares 12,000. What is the allotment? Allotment we have 50. In this 50, this 10 rupees is included. Remember, 12,000 multiplied with 40. 12,000 multiplied with 10. 40 plus 10, how much? 50. Out of 50, we have taken out premium. So what is the actual allotment? 40. Now, 12,000 into 40, it will be 4,80,000. 12,000 into 10, it will be 1,20,000. Clear? This is your allotment. If premium is included, we have to bifurcate. Remember, don't add 10 rupees to 50. Why? Because it is already included. Now, we'll go for first and final call. Number of shares 12,000. First and final call, how much? 40. So this will be 4,80,000. Now total everything. So it will be 6 lakh, 6 lakh, 10 lakh, 80,000, 11 lakh, 20,000, 13 lakh, 20,000. Whether your answer is correct or wrong. How to check? Yes. Your number of shares 12,000. Share value 110. If you multiply, you will get 13,20,000. Like this, you can verify your answer also. So, we're done with your working note. Now, what is the next procedure? Yes, directly we'll go with the journal entry. Remember, at the time of application, take 2,40,000. Allotment, you have two numbers. First and final call, you have 4,80,000. Journal entries in the books of Tunga. Now, journal entries in the books of Tunga Company Limited. Application, how much we have? 2,40,000. Now, application 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Your application is done. For application, how many entries we have? 2. Same number. 2,40,000 and 2,40,000. Narration, it is the same narration for every problem. If I miss out any narration, the previous problem narration itself you can copy. Now, allotment. Now, allotment we have two numbers. I'll go back to your working note. 4,80,000 and 1,20,000. Total is how much? 6 lakh. Debenture allotment 6 lakh. Debenture is 4,80,000. Premium is 1,20,000. What we did working note, same thing I copied and pasted. I'll go for the next one. Write down first 3 journal entries. Now, next one, allotment itself 6 lakh, 6 lakh. How come you got 6 lakh? Means in the previous one 4.8 plus 1 lakh 20, what is the total? 6 lakh. Here you have to do bifurcation, but in the next journal entry bifurcation is not required. Now first and final call to debenture. I'll go back to your working note. As per your working note, what is your first and final call? 4,80,000. So it will be 4,80,000 and 4,80,000. Similarly, 4,80,000, 4,80,000. This will be your 6 marks question. Clear? Again, I'll go back to your question with the answer. Just will revise once. This will be your question. Number of shares they have given 12,000 at 12% debenture. One more thing. While writing, you have to mention it is 12% debenture. Everywhere, wherever you write debenture account, you have to mention 12% debenture. Now, if the problem is about 6% debenture, then debenture allotment account related to 6% debenture account. 6% debenture account. Wherever you write debenture account, you have to mention the percentage also. Now, this will be your question. They have given application, allotment, first and final call. In this company issued debenture at premium. How much premium? 10 rupee. 100 plus 10, what is the total value? 110. Now, application 12,000 into 20. Allotment, it is 12,000 into 50. In this 50, 10 rupees we have taken separately. Why? Because 10 rupees is premium. 12,000 into 40, 12,000 into 10. Your allotment is done. First and final call, it is 40. It is given here 40. 12,000 into 40, your answer is how much? 4,80,000. If you total, you should get how much? 13,20,000. Now, this will be your first 3 journal entry. This 2 for application, this for allotment. Again, this is for allotment, this 2 for first and final call. Now, write down these 3. Again, these 3 journal entries. This is the end of your 6 marks question. Now, from the next session, we'll go for 12 marks question. The 12 marks question compared to this completely change. Now, I'll explain you everything in your next session with the theory as well as your format, so that we can do 12 marks problem from the next session. So, hope you understood the 2 problems what we did in today's session. These kind of questions you can expect for 6 marks. Now, we completed almost 4 problems on 6 marks question. You will not get any extra adjustment other than what we worked out. So, work out these 4 problems again and again. If you find any new questions, those things also work out. The journal entries will not change. The working note also will not change. We'll meet in the next session with the 12 marks question. Thank you.